Hey guys, Nathan here again. I just uploaded a video earlier about how I'm using the Glooper to create this, leveraging the freeze on the Glooper to create this ambient pad that you can play over. And just shortly after I uploaded it, my dear friend and fellow worship leader, Matt Tebussek, uh, came up with this genius idea. I wish I could claim this as my own idea. It's not. So let me jump over to Pro Control and I'll show you what I've coined the Tebussek freeze. This is using Matt's genius idea. So if you haven't watched that video, go check it out. I explain in that video how I created this pad path, leveraging multiple reverbs with the Glooper to get this ambient pad to play behind you. And I was using the expression pedal on the splitter to switch between the paths so I could create the ambient pad and then use my expression pedal to go back to my guitar path. But Matt had this genius idea. Instead of using the expression pedal, what I've got is I've got a foot switch assigned to the freeze feature. It's a momentary switch to the freeze feature on the Glooper, which it actually turns it off. So it's on all the time. It actually turns it off. And at the same time it turns it off, it changes your splitter to that path B. So you can just follow along with me here. You think about it, it'll click, it'll make sense. So right now I'm playing, don't have the switch down, right? So everything's just going through path A. Freeze is on, but because I've not sent anything to it, there's nothing there for it to freeze. So if I want to create a pad, I'm just going to hold down the freeze, play something to get the key I'm in, get the ambient going, release the freeze. Now I've got this pad, right? And so I've got that pad going. And just like I show you in another video, you could go into the Glooper, tweak that, try different reverbs. It sounds a lot better when you're creating that pad to do, just like a full major chord. But I've got my Toemaster on my desk, so I'm having to use the foot switch by hand. So I'm just playing a single E. So anyway, thought it was crazy. Awesome idea. Matt, hats off. Go check out the Tebussek freeze. It is on the cloud. Also, yeah, to turn it off, just don't be playing anything on your guitar. Press your freeze button. It's going to then freeze the path with nothing in it, right? So it's right now it's freezing nothing in the signal. So the pad's just going to fade out like it did before. So anyway, wanted to shoot out a quick update on that. Check it out. The preset is in the cloud. See y'all later. Make every strum count. See you guys.